Big up the diaspora them. People of Canada, London, New York. Yo! What's up, Jamaica? This is a street reporter. Echo. Straight from the heart of the streets. Bringing you the hottest, realest, breaking news. Right now. Listen up. It's your real street report. Breaking news, Jamaica. June 26, 2025. At 1 hour reparations to King Charles. Jamaica pushes the line, echo reason. Me people this one deep, Jamaica said them now wait pan sweet talk again. We stepping formal, we sending the petition to King Charles, telling him plain. The slavery we build Britain mash with people and rip out the wealth that did a crime against humanity. Now we ask the Privy Council for rule upon the matter. Officially. Me said this not only a royal thing, it's a street thing. Reparations mean money, land opportunity for we youth, for community fix up. Imagine them funds help rebuild Spanish Town Hospital, Amek Tivoli, Arnett Gardens, Trench Town School Modern. Justice now stay on paper, it touch the ends. Adrian Toad Road Project 2 pros koi 4 billion road project Braeton to Naggo Head really. PM Holness bust the shovel pan a major project. The Braeton to Naggo Head 4-lane bypass a build for ease traffic crash up on Portmore and Spanish Town. If you're ever stuck in the evening traffic from Portmore Bridge or you reach late to pick up your pit, you know this overdo the youth them a Portmore say road a bus. Jobs are come, but echo on. You don't want a slow patch up work, we want proper infrastructure will last. Give 3 USD at J's and some style 121 cost of living pinch. Dollar slide again. Reach non-sub style 121 for 1 US. Small uptick but big effect on the ground. Me people watch the supermarket shelf. Fluorized gas, hardware things, all them price we feel it soon. Echo say no more than ever. Buy Jamaican, support the farm upon your corner. And demand fair price or else a the dollar mash with pockets. JUTC get 63 new buses. Clean ride promise, echo reasoning. Rolling with 63 brand new CNG, compressed natural gas. Buses are this part of the transport upgrade and eco plan. All your TC we broke down pan Eastwood Park or left you stranded. This time them say clean, efficient and cheaper fi run. Echo say we watching good for the ear, but we want good for reliability too. Man can't late for work. Walk your 5 JT elections. Lasonja Harrison holds the fort. Teachers vote for stability. Lasonja Harrison remain JT president. She lead the charge pan wage talks and push for better school environment. Echo year teachers pan the end say them tired. Paperwork heavy, pay low stress higher, but steady leadership mean we can't stop now. Better pay safer schools, less politics, that are the real goal. This are no ordinary news, me people. Every story linked to your life. Road ease your stress. Dollar stretch or mash your bills. Reparations can build the youth. Buses make you move. Teachers mold the future. But all them thing have fi action, no lip service. Echo they have fi watch the leaders hear the ends and reason it raw. Clean but real. Me say, drop your comment, which are the stories it home. Reparation, dollar stress, traffic ease. Echo a hear from the real street for the real people. Bless up, walk good Jamaica bill, but we have to check them on it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell. Share with the family yard and abroad. Walk good, stay safe and make we build the Jamaica we want. One